Welcome back to Cooking for Kids. Today we are making some easy banana bread. The recipe is in the description down below. So, first what we're going to do is we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we are going to lightly butter a non-stick pan. Then, my trick, you put parchment paper, you cut it to fit the size, and then you put it right in. And you spray it some more. Next we're going to mix in all the dry ingredients. We are going to put 1.5 cups of regular flour and 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour. Now we are going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to put 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. You're also going to mix in 3/4 cup of sugar. Now that you have put all the dry ingredients in the bowl, you are just going to mix that up. Now we are just going to mash 2 to 3 bananas. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to see every time I post. You are also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you are just going to mix that until smooth, and then mix your dry ingredients with your main ingredients, and then boom. Okay, now how easy was that? Now all you have to do is mix in your other things. Any kind of dried fruit or nuts would work. Okay, cool. Now that you have mixed in all the nuts, raisins, whatever you want, I'm not going to tell you which ones, but any kind is fine, and then you're just going to put it in your prepared pan. Now you're just going to put that in your preheated oven. So this is my banana bread. This is how it turned out. I put some raisins and coconut in it. I just got it out of the oven and it looks very nice. Look at that. Hot, but good. It's very crunchy on the outside and then really gooey on the inside. That is very good. I will definitely make this again. So see you next time on Cooking for Kids. I used a cookbook called How to Cook Everything by Mark Bittman. You should definitely check that out, and the recipe will also be in the description down below. That was some easy banana bread by Cooking for Kids. I super hope you liked that video. Make sure to try this recipe, like and subscribe, so you never miss out on any of my videos. Bye!